Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you vacuum beard trimmer. This is the first time I've seen a vacuum beard trimmer and I'm very excited to test it. It has 20 levels and 2 modes, shaving and hair removal. This is for beard or hair. You can charge it in 90 minutes and 3-second lock, that's travel lock, and 2-type comb. These are what we have in the box and some of the features. Let's open it. We have a nice bag. This is the beard trimmer. You can turn it on from here. And you can change the mode. We have so many modes here. A cleaning brush. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Here is the other head. Here we have the user manual. Let's check it out closely. We're gonna press 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. We have 60% charge. Now vacuum is activated. And let's take this out. Here we have. This is the first one. Here is the second one. When you're done with your shaving, take it out. And then take this out, clean it, and put it back. Let's test it out. Let's try to check the modes. Now we're using the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna continue. Let me take this out and put the other one and check it out. We already have 10 millimeters from here, right there, and we can add 10 more. I'm gonna test it out. This is for the hair, this is for the beard. First, beard. Right now, I'm not using the vacuum. Here we have some hair. Now I can go ahead and use it on my hair. Like that. This is what you're gonna see without the vacuum. And I'm gonna put the vacuum and I'm gonna clean this area. Now I'm gonna use the vacuum. 1 and 2. My hair is already short. Let's see the result. Take this out first and then take it out. Alrighty, you can see all of my hair right there. My hair is not making dirty everywhere, but it's just going inside. We can just collect it over there and dump it. Everything is going to be clean. I can definitely suggest this product because we have 2 combs, one for the beard, one for the hair. And since this has vacuum, as you can see, all the hair is gonna go over here and go ahead and dump them and put it back. Clean it up and put it back. And additionally, you can adjust this area too. Definitely suggest it.